Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can create and edit avatar on Reddit. So if you are new or subscriber, please notification bell icon so you don't miss anything for the videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So first you need to open the web browser. In the top of the web browser there is a search bar. Just click on the search bar and type Reddit and press enter on the keyboard. After that you just have to click on the first search result, that is Reddit. Click on it and the interface of the Reddit will be shown. And now you just have to look at the top right corner. There is a circular icon. You just have to click on the circular icon, and in the second option there is an edit profile option. You just have to click on the edit profile or edit avatar, and it will send you to the avatar section. So you just have to look on the top left side. There are three options, that is shop, edit and create. Here you can shop the avatar and buy it, and second is to edit the avatar. You can just click on the edit option and you can edit as your choice. There are different options that you can add, that are top, bottom, hair, face, eyes, hats and many more. And when you have edited it, and you can just click on the save button that is on the bottom of the left hand side, and your edited avatar will be saved. Or if you want to create a new avatar, there is a create option. Just click on the create and it will direct you to the create avatar part or the create avatar interface, and you just need to get started. You just need to click on the create portal option. Now you can create your own avatar. You can add your face, your eyes, your tops, and there are many other options like hair, hats. And when you have added everything, you will be able to create an avatar. So this is how you can easily edit, buy or create an avatar in Reddit. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.